Hello everyone, in our last video I showed you how to cut off, how to reconnect it, and how to fix up our high voltage LED strip line. And first of all, there is one thing that I wanted to correct it, that is when we cut off the LED strip light, in last video I had told you to cut it off in the middle of the gap, right? Actually that is not correct. When we cut off the LED strip light, it is supposed to be cut where it's closer to the negative point, not in the middle of the gap. So please pay attention to this. Besides, I wanna to introduce another kind of our RGB controller to you, and with the wire you can see from the video. With the wire, for this kind of RGB controller, we equip with one power plug and one connector here. You can see there are wires on both ends of the connector. And for this end, you don't have to care about the order of the wire inside. And for another end, this wire, you have to connect it with the output side on the RGB controller, as our RGB controller has two sides, one side with the input and another side with the output. So when we connect the connector with the controller, you need to connect it with the output side, and connect the wires one by one here, according to the mark here, the R to R, G to G, B to B, and the black wires with the positive point here. And if you use the IR24 kit to control our LED strip light, if the color is not correct, you can adjust the wire, the different orders of the wire, and the black wire still keep with the positive point, and just change the order of these three wires, and then you can get the colors you like. And another end, come to the input side, connect with the power plug, our power plug, and you don't have to care about the order of these two wires either. And before we test the LED strip light, make sure that you keep the children away from these dangerous devices, it is with the very high voltage and kind of danger. And we will use the IR24 key to control the LED strip light. Just the main function is just the same as our Rainbow Touch remote controller. You can choose the different color by pressing the keys on the board, and it has the mode keys, color keys, etc.